ख्यालों में आके खामखा, ख्यालों में आके खामखा, बुनते हो क्यों आसमां आसमां। हाँ, कोई खामखा कुछ नहीं करता, कुछ ना कुछ उसके पीछे बात होती है। Luckily I'm not Kailash Kher, so I'll just tell you I'm fine. Yeah. Babul Supri will sing this song. हाँ. और उनको लगा कि यार ये क्या है, मुखड़े एक ऑक्टेव पे होता है, फिर अंतरा आप अलग ऑक्टेव में कर रहे हो। हम नहीं खामखा कुछ भी कर रहे हैं।
ऐसी लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट खामखा। Not trying to say that you're old or anything.
आप जैसे भी हो आप सही हो, बस इंटरव्यू सही दीजिए बस, बाकी सब ठीक है। हाँ, हम तो खामखा ही बहुत सारी चीजें कर देते हैं।
Like, can you give us
बाद में झेलना पड़ता है।
हम लोग ऐसा दिखने का है भाई हमको।
सबको लगा कि यार बॉडी मेरी है, तभी मेरी बॉडी थी नहीं, बहुत पतला सा इतना सा था। I should get out of here now.
Alright, we're here for First Copy Season 2 और जो शख्स मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं उन्होंने एक गाना गाया है, but the man I think was born around the 80s but still looks Gen Z. Shaan with us over here.
Glad I was born around the 80s, dude.
How are you, Shaan? It's so nice to have you here.
I was already 8 years old in the 80s, but yeah.
No, but okay, first up, my mom always says interview के पहले सबको ये पूछो, how are you? Are you good?
Luckily I'm not Kailash Kher, so I'll just tell you I'm fine. Yeah. वरना आप ऐसे सवाल ना पूछा करें। How are good? मतलब it can then go on for a very long time.
That is amazing.
आज सुबह जब मैं उठा तो
we're going to change that now. I hope everything is great. First copy जहाँ तक हम बात कर रहे हैं, आपने एक कॉपी कर दी, मैं भी फर्स्ट कॉपी हूँ बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए।
I become Farhan sometimes. So
हाँ.
sometimes it happens. So मेरी आवाज़ ऐसे हो जाती है।
तो फर्स्ट कॉपी का इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ होगा
बहुत ज़्यादा
से अभी।
एंड वो हो जाता है मेरे साथ कभी-कभी। I've told Javed साहब,
आप जैसे भी हो आप सही हो, बस इंटरव्यू सही दीजिए बस, बाकी सब ठीक है।
जब
सवाल सही
बादल आया, वही मैं कह
ऐसे
रहा हूँ।
सवाल हो जिसके जवाब में कोई संजीदगी हो, सॉरी।
तो थोड़ा सा ग्रेविटास यहाँ पे डालते हैं। शान, I'll come
हाँ,
back to my
gravitas
character.
खामखा is the name of the track.
हम नहीं खामखा कुछ भी कर रहे
कर रहे हैं ऐसी लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट खामखा। Have you ever in your life, I'm sure आपके in your career in your life, आपने ऐसे कहा है खामखा ऐसे बोल दिया यार शान। This is a conversation you're having with yourself. Have you ever said that to yourself? खामखा ऐसे बोल दिया मैंने।
हाँ, हम तो खामखा ही बहुत सारी चीजें कर देते हैं।
Like, can you give us
बाद
an
में झेलना
instance?
पड़ता है। No, as in खामखा is a beautiful word, and I think it's something that talks about being impulsive, being personal, and अगर कोई कुछ खामखा कहता है तो शायद कुछ ना कुछ उसके अंदर चल रहा है,
हाँ.
इसलिए वो चीज़ आती है।
Right.
So it may be out of context for what is happening outside, but it's in context to what is happening inside. So खामखा is a very interesting word. It just came to me right now.
खामखा ऐसे सोच दिया।
हाँ, कोई खामखा कुछ नहीं करता, कुछ ना कुछ उसके पीछे बात होती है।
And there's one more very important खामखा। खामखा मैं परेशान हो रहा था।
हाँ,
Guys, does-
unnecessarily.
Correct.
हाँ,
Does this happen to you? What is your self talk at that time? तब आप क्या कहते हैं खुद को कि यार खामखा मैं परेशान हो रहा था इस चीज को लेकर।
हाँ यार, हाँ।
So
नहीं वही है यार। I always believe like you got to cross the bridge when you get there. खामखा परेशान होकर क्या हो, जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, जिसके बारे में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, उस पर खामखा टेंशन लेना या सोचते रहना कोई मतलब नहीं है। बट इंसानी फितरत है, होता है।
then what's your self talk? You've done so
हाँ,
many songs.
वही सेल्फ टॉक वही होती है कि यार इस पर आई कांट कंट्रोल इट, मेरा कोई काबू नहीं है इस पर।
हाँ.
तो खामखा क्यों इसके बारे में सोचे, शायद बला टली जाएगी या फिर देयर विल बी सम अदर सॉल्यूशन। आई डोंट हैव टू फाइंड इट।
तो
आई एम हैप्पी टू सिट ऑन द फेंस।
Exactly. तो खामखा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं। That's the name of the track. See the slide in. I slid into the DMs just like smooth.
Glenn,
Organic segue, I tell you.
You're as smooth as any Glenn I know.
We are not promoting anything. We are just being kind and courteous. We are all talking about spirits over here.
Yes,
Internal
yes,
spirits.
Internal spirits.
मेरा और आपका एक राब्ता, एक कनेक्शन है। मेरे मामू ने आपके एक म्यूजिक वीडियो में काम किया है, प्लस आपके गानों को कोरियोग्राफ किया है। टेरेंस।
Oh my God. Okay, your Terence is.
Terence is my
Manja,
mom's
or
youngest
whatever.
brother.
Yeah. Oh,
और
how
एक
cool is that?
उसमें मैं I
Now I'm
still
seeing the connection. Yeah,
वो
I'm
हिंदी
seeing a
जो
little
आपको
bit of
पता है ना।
Terence in you. Yeah.
तो एक बात हुई थी। I think it was झंकार बीट्स and I was very young and काट रोड पे शूट हो रहा था वो। दिल ने तुमको छू लिया है, सुनो ना। That was a track.
Yeah.
And your voice and everything happening over there.
Glenn, I'll tell you what. I'm a original Mumbai
Right.
guy. I've been here all my life,
Huh.
and so is Terence, and we started very early. So we've been all over the place. I
Huh.
can speak for the both of us, and most people will have some connection or the other.
Haji.
At least I can speak for myself because starting from hanging around doing small music videos
Right.
myself, crowd scenes में यहाँ वहाँ करते jingles, music. So it's been a long and a very, very, very fun life, I'd say. I wouldn't call it career because career life एक साथ ही चल रहा है मेरा. बचपन से ही गा रहा हूँ, as you know, jingles when I started from age 5. So meeting a lot of people, especially when someone comes from outside, if you hear their stories, mostly they'll say हाँ वो फिर वो शान मिला था मुझे. Because we are like the welcoming receiving party. बम्बई में कोई भी आता है तो पहले मुझसे मतलब
I get what you
ऐसा
say.
होता है.
हाँ. But you know, like talking about your long career that has been there, you've been singing. So, I think one of the first, from my understanding, for me was Tanha Dil. Before that, there was a video where मैंने से Backstreet Boys को ऐसे करते हुए देखा था, शर्ट निकाल के they were quit playing games with my heart. ITV तभी आता था. To be very honest, I'm talking about the late 90s, early 2000s. आपका गाना Tanha Dil used to be that thing because all of us guys back in school were like, इसके बाल इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं यार? How is he pulling off white denims? वो टी शर्ट, वो शर्ट, और वो आदमी चल रहा है सड़क के किनारे, उनके बाल कैसे यहां से वहां नहीं हो रहे हैं. That's the imagery, that's the fandom we had, and I'm actually speaking from a fan's perspective. That's what I thought, and my cousins and all sitting at home, big family. So 4 brothers, 4 sisters, 13, 15 siblings, cousins sitting together watching. ये होना चाहिए ITV पे, ये गाना हम लोग डेडिकेट करेंगे. And then there was Backstreet Boys का Quit Playing Games. I think it was कौन सा गाना था आपका, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रैक था वो, श्वेता शेट्टी के साथ, आपकी बहन के साथ. I think केन घोष ने
वो आज हम जैसे हैं जिगर वाले कहाँ, वो Kajra Mohabbat wala. It was a mashup. It's called Q-Funk.
Q-Funk was the track.
Yeah.
Man, what a journey from there to the kind of music that you done.
So that's 30 years. Yeah.
Sir, मैं बोलता हूँ खामखा ऐसे ही आपने उड़ा
सारा
दिया.
जो कुछ भी हुआ खामखा ही हुआ. There was no real plan like Q-Funk. If you talk about that song, we were just there visiting a studio. Me and my sister Sagrika. And वहाँ जाकर कुछ Babul Supri was singing this song. और उनको लगा कि यार ये क्या है, मुखड़े एक ऑक्टेव पे होता है, फिर अंतरा आप अलग ऑक्टेव में कर रहे हो. It's, you know, he came from a more purist thing. He said, this is like, you know, you guys are amateur, this is crazy, how does one do this? तो these guys had come from Australia, so उनको यार उनका scales बहुत वो चौथे ऑक्टेव में गाते थे हर चीज़, और वो falsetto में, you know, that style था उनका. तो there was some confusion in that. So then I was hanging around, they said, can you try this? So I sang it. That's how I became a part of that song. I had just come with Sagrika to hang around. तो खामखा किया और वो उसी गाने का वीडियो बना. उसमें फिर शर्टलेस भी मैं नहीं था. हाँ, वो बाल हमारे सेम थे. He was a friend of mine, Jude. We lost him recently. So Jude was a model. तो वो जो ऐसा, और सबको लगा कि यार बॉडी मेरी है. तभी मेरी बॉडी थी नहीं. बहुत पतला सा, इतना सा था. तो वो मैच, वो जो पानी पे जो एक था ना सिलुएट, वो मैं नहीं था.
This is trivia, guys. This is trivia.
The length of the face is the same.
Yeah.
So a lot of, and because it would come and go, and I had a thing where my shirt was off. So they thought that is me, but the real muscular shirtless was him.
Well, this is trivia again.
So अभी आए हैं थोड़ी बहुत. But तभी नहीं थे कुछ भी.
Yeah, even during Jhalak you had.
हाँ.
You were ripped.
But I'm talking about 95. Na, this is 2020.
Wow, man. But okay,
I started working out and doing whatever little bit fitness from age 32, much later.
So all
बच्चे हुए, then I said यार अभी कुछ करना पड़ेगा यार, you know, because you know you want to stay young and fit for your kids.
But you know the best compliment on Mahi's video, he put an unplugged video, and someone said, "Hey bro, are you related to Shan by any chance?" That's what someone said, because, and he said. He puts a namaste emoji and he says, Bapuji hai. It was so adorable. It is so amazing. His song Jadugari for me is such a beautiful track. The way he sings it is so much of heart and soul. Like
we party together these days. It's very funny.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I look forward to it. In about 10-12 minutes, I realize, no, I should just go home now, because very odd. You're hanging with, like, you know, you know, they're all his age literally. And then they'll come, hi uncle, my grand's a big fan, or my mom likes your music, and I'm like, I should get out of here now. It's a little odd, but the thought is nice that, you know, father and son can party together.
Well, it's a beautiful thing. It's a nice way the world comes to a circle when आप भी उनके साथ perform कर रहे हैं, and it's really sweet. You know what we're going to do right now, because फिर आप कहेंगे कि खामखा गवाया भी नहीं यार, मतलब गाया है इन्होंने गाना और गवाया नहीं, तो सर 2 लाइन हो जाए, so I can integrate it in my show then.
तो जो खामखा पार्ट है गाने का कुछ ऐसा ही जाता है, ख्यालों में आके खामखा, ख्यालों में आके खामखा, बुनते हो क्यों आसमां आसमां. और it's a very interesting song, composed by Chauvik and written by Shraddha, and of course wonderful singer with me, Vibha Saraf. She's you know, got a very different voice. और इसका एक गाने का भी जो एक एंगस्ट है, एक अलग फील में इसको
Right.
किया गया है, which the way I've sung it, where you can't help falling in love, but you're still kind of trying to fight that feeling. So it's a very interesting song.
मतलब एक duality है वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
Interesting. These kind of songs are really interesting because they stay with you. Like मैं यही आपसे कह रहा था कि the music that was created in the 90s, the music that we heard, the indie pop that we heard, like every time I have a down moment, आँखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चलते दिए, जाने ये राहें अब हमें ले जाएंगी कहाँ. Those words resonate with me so much कि I'm like हो जाएगा. Like I have this hope कि हो जाएगा. And I hope the music continues to come out like this.
Of course. A lot of new, wonderful composers, especially lyricists who have again, started to churn out lyrics that are very relatable, and एक thought process, नई thought process है. वरना वो 3-4 चीज़ों में ही गाने बनते रहते थे, वो situations थी. So like this song has a very different. I mean, is it a romantic song? Is it a happy? Is it sad? It's very introspective.
And I think
So
each one can.
तो 2 लाइन गाकर उसको justify नहीं कर पाऊँगा, but पूरा गाना सुनना पड़ेगा. There's a journey to the whole thing. So such songs are very interesting.
And Shan, every time you sing, and I'm not saying this because you're here, but I feel that हर एक को ना आपकी आवाज़ के साथ they can write their own story. With whatever song you've touched or whatever song you sing, there's everybody will have a different story that they can resonate and relate to. I think that's
so.
magic. No, that
I
is
haven't
magic.
thought of
for
it
me.
like that, but yeah. Why not?
I mean, I can still imagine I'm not trying to say that you're old or anything,
No,
but when
that's
Dino
okay.
Moria stood up and said, "वो पहली बार," I'm like, ऐसा दिखने का है भाई हमको. But
दिख रहा है
thank you so much for your
Thank
time
you,
and
Glenn. Thank you so
all the best. And I'm very happy every time I meet you because I feel my day goes
I'll see.
chuma. Thank you.
Nice. So Chumas again from Mama Shri, huh? Okay.
Thank you.